I do, that's word. And all the times you confuse my words, you don't listen.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Please be sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna hop right into today's video. Today I am going to be doing an initial hair review on this hair. I bought this hair from HairsMarket.com. This is my second time buying from the site, and this is Peruvian loose deep wave hair, and I got it 3 bundles in a closure. It's a 3-part lace closure, and the closure is 12-inch. I got a 12-inch bundle, I got a 14-inch bundle, and I got a 16-inch bundle. Overall, when I got my hair done, I used a 16 to 14, some of the 12, and of course I put in 12-inch closure. Okay, starting out with unpacking my package. Okay, being that this is HairsMarket, and I know they get it from vendors, but I don't know which vendors give like the big box, like actually like ship you their box and they name everything on it. So I got my priority 2-day shipping mail. And it just had like the bundles individually packaged in that box envelope thing sent to me. They sent it with a pair of lashes, and the lashes were horrible. It looks like fake, well, yeah, lashes, but it looks like, it was so like, look plastic. It didn't look natural. And the first time I ordered, which was this curly hair that I have now made into a wig, that came with like the best lashes. It was so cute. It came with some good lashes, I'm not even gonna cap. But this one didn't. And I never received flexi rods, and I see a lot of people when they do their reviews, they were receiving flexi rods, but I haven't received any yet. But that was just unpackaging. The hair didn't have any smell, because sometimes hair can have smell when you first receive it, and you have to let it air out or like soak it in some apple cider vinegar or something like that. I never had to do that because like my hair never smelled all the hair outward. It looked kind of body wave-ish, and with me running my fingers through it, I wanted to see how it was gonna curl up at the ends, and it didn't really curl up. So I was like, what if this hair ends up being body wave-ish? But it didn't, because like now I can see it's like really loose waves, curls, whatnot, but it's like a lot, and it's really deep embedded into the hair. Okay, so I did the bounce test. I stretched it out, see if it was gonna like bounce back. You know, it bounced back. But that's like really good. So installing this hair, this is how it currently looks, and I hope you can get like a good look at it. Yeah, about this hair, it's doing really good right now. It's not shedding, it's not tangling at all. Well, it has like a little bit of shedding, but it's not like shedding. When I take my hair out the bun, I put it in the back, it has like maybe 1 to 5 strands in it. It's not a big deal. But like with me just like doing it after like having it in a bun all night and sleeping on it, I take a wide tooth comb and I start from the ends and work my way up. It doesn't like, I don't know the word for it. Like, it doesn't like make the curls go away, I guess, so to say, but it do like fluffens the hair out, because see right now my hair is fluffier this morning a little bit, like it went back to its like natural form, and so that's what I was doing. I like detangle it, fluff it out, and I use this thing called S-Curl moisturizing non-drip thing. I saw this online that some people was using to like seal their relaxed hair when they do their wrap, so it won't break. So I use that on this hair because I know it's moisturized. Initial review of the hair is going good so far. It got a great feel to it. It holds its shape. It's bouncy. It moves. Like, that's all that matters right now. That's all that mainly matters in the hair. It looks natural. It's bouncy and it moves. Because if your hair is stiff, that ain't it, sis. I'm telling you. But on to another message. Okay, it is January. Well, you said this on January 17th. I have decided that I am going to prolong my New Year giveaway until February. Till the end of this month. I'm going to prolong my New Year giveaway until January 31st because people have entered and I only have one person successfully entered, and I told y'all that I'm really trying to pick 3 winners, and I have 1 or 2 people that successfully entered. So I'm giving y'all until the end of this month on the 31st. The 31st will be the day that I choose the winners. And if it's just one person, then it's just one person. And the other y'all, the rest of y'all who entered and don't understand why you wasn't like the other winners is because you didn't enter correctly. Like, you haven't done everything that was said for you to do. So that's why you didn't get picked.
You coulda had Christian and Christian Dior. Now you just missing, I'm missing you more. But you knew that I'm the cool cat with the roof.